The black community has survived over the years because the black community knew how to come together. When one of us is hurting, the black community instinct was to rally, to protect, to defend. That instinct comes from generations of struggle, when sometimes the only people we had as black people were each other. But unity is not the same thing as blind loyalty. Solidarity is powerful, but solidarity also requires wisdom. It requires us to ask questions. It requires us to understand what we are standing for and who we are standing for. Because real kinship isn't determined by skin color alone. Real kinship is revealed through actions, integrity, and commitment to the well-being of the community. Support your people, love your people, protect your people, but never forget the wisdom our elders tried to pass down when they said, all skin folk ain't kinfolk, and discernment is a form of protection. When do you go from being a victim to becoming a volunteer? A victim is someone who is subjected to harm, unfair treatment, or injustice without their consent. A volunteer, however, is someone who knowingly participates in or supports a situation, even if the situation may not be in their best interest. When a person becomes aware of the situation but continues to defend it, have they stopped being a victim and have become a volunteer? Are they being harmed, or are they just helping to maintain harm? When someone actively defends the source of their harm, when they will publicly defend a situation that others see as harmful, clearly see it. Why? Is it fear of losing employment? Is it survival strategy? Is it loyalty? Or have they come to normalize mistreatment? Kind of like the battered wife syndrome. You start to normalize the mistreatment. Because as I said, once a person becomes aware, they become aware of the situation, but they continue to defend it. If someone recognizes mistreatment but still protect the system of the person causing the harm, you kind of begin to question whether they are still a victim.